Hello, I'm Peter Hemming. I'm sat in probably one of the best kept secrets of the last couple of 3 years of the launch of Lovol in the UK. Because of the reduced quantity of selection with respect to Zeta, yet I know that some new models yet to be released. We are looking for a tractor that we can sell that goes into the bigger size tractors. At the moment, we're offering a lot of budget compact tractors. Now, this tractor I first showed interest about 18 months ago. And more recently, I've had a couple of customers approach me to want to purchase one. One in particular guy was a Herefordshire sheep farmer. Unfortunately, I couldn't get a demo organised with the local infrastructure that's in place in the UK at the moment. So therefore, I showed a bit more interest. And I also had somebody that wanted a 50 horsepower without a cab. My current compact tractor providers couldn't supply such a product. So again, I contacted Lovol UK to see if they could find me something. It wasn't forthcoming. So I've took it upon myself to go over the water and actually buy one from Ireland because I wanted to actually get a test drive, get in it, touch it, feel it, try it out. And I've now got one on my farm in the 3 counties. I welcome anybody to come and have a look at it, try it, drive it, use it on the farm, come and have a look at it in the flesh. It's a cracking bit of kit. There is no local stocked 40p4110 around here. There's nothing out for a demo because I have actually asked for a demo. So I decided it was best just go and buy one. You've got to have a look at it. You can't sell something unless you can touch it, feel it, and see it. Anyway, this tractor, my initial impressions when I took delivery of this tractor 10 days ago, is what a cracking looking tractor. You get in the cab, there's masses of glass, good visibility for loading bales, great all-round visibility, and it's not a big cab. Because it's not a big cab, you can actually look out of the back window and see the tow bar. What do you want to see when you look out the back? You want to see the tow bar so you can hitch it up. You wouldn't even need a push-out hitch on this to actually hook a trailer on. Cracking tractor. You don't need masses of space behind the seat. You just need a comfortable seat and good layout of the instruments. I have to say the tractor probably has got a few other refinements to actually take place, and perhaps the factory will take heed of what I have to say. Generally speaking, the only way I'd improve the cab is the handle here to be able to get out, and I believe that they have repositioned this handle because it's difficult I know you should back out of a tractor, but it either needs a grab handle here or this needs to be at a better angle. The other thing I would say is it could do with a bit of acoustic softening. It's quite a noisy cab at the moment, but the layout of the kit, we don't need it all to be electronic. It's the throttle is absolutely beautiful bit of kit. This goes down, and on this tractor it's actually got automatic steering. It's got satellite on the top. It's got a screen here. And the best of it is, it has only got the ownership of a very, very reasonable price tag. This tractor could be quite easily 50% of the market leader's price. The John Deere, the New Holland, the Agco products. It's very, very, very well priced. And this tractor is actually on the market, and I've got access to other tractors that I would be willing to sell at the right money to just get them out. They need to be out. Unfortunately, the Chinese manufacturer has taken it upon themselves to try and get all their products sold when they arrive before they sell them before they get into the UK. Which in actual fact I think is okay as long as people's got plenty in stock so that they can get the end user to get in, put the bum in the seat and try the tractor out. This particular tractor is called a P4110. It's actually got a button in the cab that you can reduce its horsepower right down to 90 horsepower. Great, because around a farmyard you don't need all the pulling horsepower for doing cultivation work, etc. The other thing, big bonus, I've actually done a bit of loader work with this tractor, and I have to say it's so well balanced. It sits and it bites and it grunts. It doesn't spin on the concrete surface. It just bites. It just pushes its little heart out. The wheel arches at the front, fantastic. They hinge. The lock is good. The brakes are good, and getting it out of the cab is brilliant because the steps come quite close to the floor, and I've got a bad foot, and it's really good because you can lower yourself down without doing a bit of a jump, which is brilliant. Good looking, nice shape, and at the back we've got 3 spool valves. Obviously, if I had a push-out drawbar on this one, it would take up one set of that. It's got air. It's got good light, good working lamps. I think it's just a nice tractor, and the thing that it'll be sold upon, if we can finally get it so that plenty of people look at it. If I am given an area in this location, I will actually be at the Three Counties show, and I will have a Lovol on the Three Counties showground. But whether that will actually happen is down to Lovol. Lovol seem to have a very slow approach to pushing it forward in the UK, or maybe it's the people they've partnered with. Anyway, and where are we? What else can I show you on this tractor? You got the AdBlue diesel. Got a good shaped bonnet. You can see the visibility, the curved windscreen. Brilliant feature. Brilliant feature. The mirrors are fantastic. You can see right down at the side of the back wheel. Overall, I really can't fault it. There's a few things that could be put right. I don't like the valve by your heels. That's a bit in the way. And the high and low lever, I'm told an adaptation can be done to that to twist it round so it's out of the way. The co-pilot's seat is brilliant because it folds up automatically. You don't have to fumble with a catch. It's like a cinema seat then, one of the old-fashioned cinema seats when we used to go, and they used to fold up as soon as you got off them. Yeah, I think the tractor is well worth a consideration. So if you're looking for a stock tractor that's between 40 and 50k price wise, got a 40 kVH box, talk to me, and hopefully I can source something for you at the right money to get it on your farm at an affordable price. I can actually make suggestions with respect to finance, so you only have to put the VAT down. This tractor I've bought personally. It's nothing to do with Hemming Engineering. I've bought it personally to use on my own farm, and so far so good. Peter Hemming at my own farm, and I'm the managing director of the Hemming Group and the managing director and sole director of Hemming Engineering in Broadway, Worcestershire.